Confused where to start? UPSC. One decision can change everything.
I'd like to thank Vajiram and Ravi.
Vajiram current affairs test series.
Vajiram का भी काफी help.
Vajiram is the best.
But Vajiram, it is something holistic.
It helped me in boosting my confidence.
Structured learning expert. Mentorship in latest results, top 10 out of 10 from Vajiram. Legacy of AIR 1. Trust. One name. Vajiram and Ravi.
Namaste. I'm Sai Krishna. Have secured rank 125 in CSE 2025 and have graduated from BITS Pilani in 2016. I hail from Andhra Pradesh and I'm currently working as a block development officer in government of Andhra Pradesh. So I have chosen psychology as my optional. So throughout my 5 attempts, this has been my optional. I haven't changed it. So this is my 5th attempt and मेरा second attempt में I went till interview with psychology में 272 score करते हुए and this is my second mains and second interview. This time I scored 290 जो कहा जा रहा है कि might be the highest this year in psychology and largely in humanities also. In this video I'm going to talk about my approach towards psychology, why I have chosen this as an optional subject and how I ensured that I keep improving throughout. मैं mistakes कैसे identify किया आपने, how I understood how to write the answers in the first place, which psychology is not my graduation subject also. तो इन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करूँगा. सबसे पहले मैंने psychology चुनने के पीछे reason था मेरा interest. I was always amused by psychology. Campus में भी मैंने एक दो elective courses किया था मेरे graduation, which was engineering. तो I had got this hang on psychology and मैंने सोचा था कभी UPSC attempt करूँगा मैं psychology के साथ जाऊँगा and 2018 topper as I fairly remember Anurag Jain sir has scored 333 marks in psychology and he was from the same college which I am from, BITS Pilani. तो मेरा interest and ये scoring possibility दोनों मिलके मुझे confidence दिए हैं कि I can go ahead with this optional. And when I read those NCERTs, 11th and 12th NCERTs of psychology, मेरे को पूरा समझ में आने लग गए. I figured out that I don't need any coaching for this, तो मैंने coaching नहीं लिया. तो during my second attempt, I have spent some 3 to 5 months, 3 months in studying and preparing notes, and a couple of months in revising those notes and थोड़े बहुत answers लिखने के पीछे मैंने spend किया था before prelims. तो during my first attempt and second attempt मिला के and after second prelims in the run up to the mains मैंने 3 full length test mock test दिया था psychology के and this has helped me score 272 in my second attempt. So my book list would be both NCERTs 11th and 12th Baron for paper 1 and स्मारक स्वेन सर का जो compilation है सारे पेपर 2 के syllabus points का वो that's the sole resource that I have referred to for paper 2 and paper 2 में थोड़ा general studies GS के और थोड़े current affairs के related and psychology context में थोड़े बहुत facts भी मैंने figures भी मैंने include किया है. So this was during my second attempt in 2022. इस बार in my 5th attempt I have given 2023 and 2024 full length tests as मतलब एक ही दिन में, जैसे सुबह पेपर 1 दिया तो दोपहर में पेपर 2. So these are the full length tests that I have given this year between prelims and mains. Before prelims I have written the PYQs of the last 7 to 8 years. मतलब सारे chapters नहीं लिख पाया मैं. So I liberally used ChatGPT in evaluating my own answers in terms of structuring and the extra research studies, interesting research studies that I can mention and examples from various walks of life or current affairs जो भी मैं include कर सकता था. ChatGPT ने मैं काफ़ी मदद हुई इस attempt में. So this was how I had in terms of psychology in to arrive at the score that I have scored. Psychology में interest होने के वजह से I could always look forward to getting back to psychology, revise करने के लिए, mock test लिखने के लिए और PYQs practice करने के लिए. इन सब के लिए interest has played the most important role. तो if you are picking an optional, I'd suggest these two are the parameters: interest and the scoring possibilities. कोई भी example हो आपके seniors में या कहीं ना कहीं से, so if there is a scoring possibility and interest in that, you can go ahead with that optional. Don't go purely based on the trends, and even there is no benchmark evaluation that is available in the market. I think थोड़े PYQs देख के उनके अराउंड नोट्स लिख के I think you can figure out in certain iterations of your answers जो तुम किसी एक का हेल्प ले सकते हैं शुरुआत में to understand how answers are written, either from a senior or from someone who is aware of the process, and बाद में तो it's you that solely matters. In my case, this time I didn't take any mock test from outside. I have evaluated my own answers using ChatGPT. तो self evaluation worked the best for me. मैं एग्जाम लिखने के 3-4 दिन बाद पढ़ता था उन्हीं आंसर्स को, and I used to find some shortcomings in the answers. उसी दिन पढ़ोगे तो you will be in the bias कि मैंने अच्छा ही लिखा होगा. 3-4 दिन बाद पढ़ोगे तो you will find there is a possibility that you will find constructive feedback for yourself in those answers. And this is about practice of the questions, about the studying and note making. So my notes are not that great. मैंने 1-2 बार ही पढ़ा मेरे खुद के notes को, and I figured that those are not that great. And मेरे जो PYQs के around मैंने pointers लिखा है in the exam sheet itself, तो वो उन चीज़ों को मैंने ज़्यादातर repeatedly refer किया rather than my own notes. तो बट नोट्स बना लीजिए nevertheless, and एक शॉर्ट नोट्स होना चाहिए टू रिवाइज बिफोर नाइट ऑफ योर एग्जाम डे, तो सो दैट आपके सारे मेमोरी मॉडल्स होते हैं जो आपने पढ़ा होगा वो सब रिफ्रेश हो जाए. सो एंड you can also, by taking psychology as an optional, you can also use it in the other papers, GS papers like ethics. मैंने extensively use किया in the attitude and emotional intelligence topics में, and even हिस्से में भी use किया in quoting interesting introductions sometimes, and philosophical essays में वो समझ के एक psychological perspective देंगे तो that will stand out because there are not many people taking up psychology as an optional. तो ऐसे काम आया, and generally मेरा mindset मेरे को sane रहने के लिए and to handle the other stressors and to analyze the exam and understand what to do in the exam, मुझे psychology के memory models, learning techniques, and even the cognitive models that are in the thinking domain, ये सब चीज़ें मुझे काम आए, so which I have incorporated to some extent, with some extent of success in the exam. So this was about my psychology optional, and there is my YouTube channel. If I'll be uploading some missing topics that are not very easily available, and I have found with a great deal of effort. तो मैं कुछ चीज़ें cover करूँगा YouTube channel में धीरे-धीरे, and I have also uploaded some videos about prelims and the overall strategy on my YouTube channel, and there is a Telegram channel also which will be mentioned in the description. तो वहाँ से आप साइकोलॉजी के रिलेटेड स्पेशली यू कैन गो अबाउट एनी मिसिंग टॉपिक्स, मिसिंग कंटेंट, और थोड़ा एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव व्यू लेने के लिए यू कैन रेफर टू दोस. एंड थैंक यू DKT फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू शेयर माय एक्सपीरियंस एंड टू गाइड द अपकमिंग एस्पिरेंट्स.